We're always getting asked, how do I change the 4-digit pin on my keypad? Trust me, it's super easy. Now mind you, this works on most modern keypads and openers. All you have to do is locate the keypad and enter your old 4-digit pin, press and hold the pound button, and the motor will flash twice to indicate that it is indeed in program mode. Then all you have to do is enter your newly desired 4-digit pin, press and hold the enter button until the opener flashes, and that's all there is to it. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, leave a like and a comment below. I'm Liam from Precision Garage Doors, a name you can trust.